Hey guys, so I'm back. So apologies for kind of disappearing for like a month or so. I didn't really plan on it. It just kind of happened. I have a lot of things going on in my life right now, especially when it comes to church and just a lot of obligations. And so I kind of did dip out a little bit, but it was really unplanned, so I'm sorry for that. I have quite a few packages and boxes that I just haven't opened yet by myself, so I thought that it would be fun to open them on camera with you guys and just kind of see like what I've gotten so far. I feel very, very grateful and just really humbled that certain companies would reach out to me and want to work with me and send me products, see how I like them, and also feature them on my page. I just think that it's fun for you guys to be a part of that journey too, and not to keep anything hidden or a secret or pretend like I'm the one that bought all these products that I'm featuring, because that's basically not the case at all. Let's start off with a heavy hitter. This is Naked's Reloaded palette. I have to say that I was so surprised that I got this, because I get a lot of the Naked palettes, but I haven't gotten a few that I'm kind of like, okay, well, whatever. So I thought, because other people were getting this before me, I thought, okay, maybe I'm not going to be one of the ones selected to get it. So I literally gasped when I opened the package, because I'm like, what is this? So I'm really, really happy. I did do a swatching on my Instagram for those who want to check it out. But this is the packaging. I don't know what you would call this type of material, but it's quite cushiony. It feels a little bit like a cushion fabric on a chair. But this is the palette, and then let's open it up. And here are the beautiful colors. I'm so excited to play around with these. I have only swatched them. I have not actually placed them on my eyelids, but I am highly expectant of this palette to just be everything that I could ever dream and imagine. But they're beautiful neutral colors that go well with a lot of skin tones, and it's just beautiful. I have to say that one of my absolute favorite shadows from the Urban Decay collection is Angel Fire, which is right here. It has a beautiful sheen and shimmer to it. I just love it. But there's that. The next package is by Rimmel, or from Rimmel. We'll take some scissors here. Ooh, okay. These are the Stay Glossy lip colors. This is really beautiful. I love clear gloss now too. And then this one looks like Baby Sparks by MAC. Baby Sparks is a dazzle glass. It's one of their most popular dazzle glasses. Why don't we swatch them? This is called Claridge's Ruby. Okay, and there's that one. Yeah, they're pretty sheer, which I don't mind a sheer gloss at all with just a tint of color. I'm actually into it. Here's that one. This bright one is called Pop Fizz Pink, and this has glitter in it, by the way. There's that one. The next is called Dorchester Rose, and this is a light pink with glitter in it. So this one's pretty sheer. There's that one. Okay, and then this is just a clear lip gloss. They seem to be not so sticky, which is nice. I have to say that a lot of times when we receive PR packages in the mail, they are a little extra, and creative, and Rimmel definitely takes the cake. This is what I received. It's called Paint It Matte. And so they actually packaged it in a paint can, and it got a little dented here. It's another thing, when things are being mailed to you, you kind of risk something being damaged, but as long as it was just the outside, that's totally fine. Whoa. That is my usual reaction when I open something, I'm not gonna lie. Whoa. Holy cow. Like, what? Oh my god. I'm overwhelmed right now in the best way possible. This is what's inside. Looks like a bunch of foundations and concealers and Stay Matte powders, which this, if you guys know, for those who have been following me for a really long time, you already know how I feel about this powder. Like, it is everything. So I have the Stay Matte Mattifying Pore Primer, makeup primer. I was gonna say poreless. It's a makeup primer. Oh my goodness, this is crazy. I have a beauty blender. What? Yes. Purple is one of my favorite colors. Stay Matte Fix and Go 2-in-1 primer and setting spray. This is big. This is 3.4 fluid ounces, guys. Like, usually you only get 1 fluid ounce. Pretty good. And then we have the Stay Matte Full Coverage Mattifying Foundations. And I only have 4 shades. I don't know if that's all they make or that's all they gave me. This is in Light Buff, Sun Beige, Noisette, and Chocolate. Now, for those who probably are asking or wondering, Stephanie, what do you do with the shades that are not for you? Because obviously I'm not chocolate. I'm very vanilla on the outside. I'm brown on the inside, y'all, because I am Mexican, so, you know, holler. I have a freelancing kit that I use a lot. That's where I put all of my darker shades. And I have basically all the shades of the Stay Matte concealers. These are these soft matte concealers, and as you can see, they go around the entire perimeter of the, well, halfway of this can. Packages like this, just, they make me wonder, like, they really just, I don't know, I feel when I receive packages like this, I'm kind of like, me, you want to give this all to me? What? I don't know. I feel very, very blessed, to be quite honest. And I'm not trying to sound Christian-y at all. I'm just saying, like, how I feel. Last but certainly not least are the Stay Matte powders. And they're in different shades. So I want to say this one is like the lightest one, and then it goes to darker because the one on the bottom is toffee colored. And these are probably one of the best drugstore setting powders that you can buy because it's super affordable and they work. The funny thing about this is that I've actually been trying out more mattified looks for my foundation and concealer and everything. Like, as you can see today, like, I do not have any highlighter on, and I'm actually really digging it and I'm liking it. So who knows, maybe the beauty community is gonna start going matte now. I don't know. I mean, I do really like glowy skin too, so I like to like have both. So the next packages are by Sally Hansen. Now these I have opened up, and these are the Miracle Gel nail polish set. Sometimes nail polish companies, like, whenever they ask to send me something, I always make sure to let them know, like, hey, you know, I'm more of a neutral girl, so if you send me more neutrals, I will actually feature those. If you're sending me like hot pink and like bright reds and like blues and purples and stuff, more than likely I'm not going to wear the nail polishes and I won't feature them because they're just not a part of my style right now. It comes with a matte top coat, which is cool. I actually have been wanting to try matte nails, so we'll see how that goes. But look at how pretty these colors are. The next is the Mega Strength nail polishes. Here are the colors. Sorry, I'm making a weird face. Now, Pixi. Oh my gosh, I just cut myself. Oh, Lord, no. Heal me. Heal me, Jesus. It says, love the skin you're in. Okay, let's open this and see what's in here. Oh. Peel and polish, which is right here. Glow mud mask. Depuff. T-zone peel off mask and a glycolic boost. Glycolic acid, so it's supposed to be for glow. I love skincare. Oh my gosh. Detoxify depuffing eye patches. They're speaking to my spirit. The next thing from Pixi that I already opened is these eyeshadow palettes. Are these eyeshadow palettes? Sorry, I said is these eyeshadow palettes. Oh my god. Can you please excuse these ratchet nails? They're so bad. But anyway, this was in the name is called Reflex Light. And here are the eyeshadows. Look at how gorgeous. Now these are all shimmery eyeshadows, but I have plenty of other eyeshadow palettes that have matte colors that I can use these with. Okay. Here's another one called Natural Beauty. And these actually do have matte shadows in here mixed with the shimmery ones. So pretty. Just gorgeous. How beautiful is this palette? And it came along with this box. It looks like a huge glasses container, but it's not. Comes with 3 brushes. How nice are those? See them? Yes. And now the last box is by Perfusion Cosmetics. Perfusion Cosmetics is one of the newest brands that I've been kind of like affiliated with, and that has sent me packages. And here's the fun thing about their packaging. Not this, but what they do is they wrap every single product individually in tissue paper, and honestly that just makes it so much fun for me to unwrap it. It kind of is like getting like a gift within a gift within a gift within a gift. They have this purple one, ooh, and it has bubble wrap, so you know it's fragile. I'm sorry. This broke. Something shattered in here and just busted everywhere. Do you see that? This one shadow broke, and there's powder just everywhere. This is one of those sad moments. I mean, it happened. Yeah, it's just bad. It's just really bad, y'all. This is the ugly side of unpackaging, unboxing. It's eye define. It's a pencil liner and a liquid liner. Ooh, it's an eye sparkler. You have glitter. It's glitter eyeshadow, sparkling eye topper. So I guess you put it on top of your eyeshadow. And then it comes with a shadow stick, waterproof. Looks like it's gold to match the gold glitter. Thank the heavens above, did not break. Okay. This is the Paradise palette. Wow, how pretty. Okay. Beautiful. Wow. From my experience with Perfusion Cosmetics, their eyeshadows are pretty pigmented, and a lot of their stuff is very, very affordable, so I would check them out. Okay guys, so that is basically all of the products that I have as of right now. I do have a few other things, but then this video would be way too long, and we're not trying to make a 30-minute video. It's just, no. I don't want to do that. So I'm excited for the next time that we see each other, because I will be making a tutorial. It's a long time coming. I love y'all. I hope that you guys have an amazing day or night, whatever time it is that you see this video. I love you. God bless you, and I'll see you soon. Bye.